In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today we are going to learn what is a vector. Vector is a quantity which tells us the magnitude, means the size and direction. Vector tells us two things, magnitude and the direction. For example, how long and where it go, the direction. Okay, then the vector can be written in two different forms. Can be written in I, J, K form or in column. Okay, two ways you can write. For example, there is a vector 3i plus 5j. This is a vector. Okay, this can be written also in a column way, which is equal 3 and 5. Basically, we need to understand 3 is a x value, 5 is a y value. How can we show in a diagram, in a grid? Look here, this direction is x-axis, the horizontal. The vertical direction is the y-axis. So the x is 3. This is represent x, okay, 3. So any starting point, for example, this one. So 3 units you will move to right because positive 3. If negative 3, you will move to the left. So it is positive 3, you will move to right. 1, 2, 3. Then there is 5. 5 is positive. If 5 is positive, you will move up. If 5 is negative, you will move down. So 5 is positive, we will move up. So first 3 right, 1, 2, 3, then 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the last point. Okay, so starting to the ending, this is the direction, must show the direction. For example, this is starting point A, ending point B. So this is vector AB, like that, must show the direction. So this is representing in a diagram. So this is the written way. There are two different written ways in A, I, J. Sometimes there are three different, three different letters you can represent. For example, 3i plus 2j minus 5k, like that. So you can write in different ways. Okay, look here now. Adding vectors. Adding vectors. To add two different vectors, we have two different methods. One is a written method, mathematical way. The second one is by using grid, graphical way. Look here, for example, we have a question: 4i plus 7j plus minus 2i plus 5j. So to add I, you will add in I, j you will add or subtract in j, whatever is given. For example, the first one, 4i plus minus 2j. So that is equal 4i minus 2j then plus 7j plus 5j. So after adding, 4 minus 2 is 2i plus 7 plus 5 is 12j. This is our answer. So another question, for example, it is given in a column way. How will you add? So for example, we have 4, 17 plus 2, 7. So when you are adding, you will add x in x, y in y. So it is 4 plus 2, 17 plus 7. So 4 plus 2, which is equal 6. 17 plus 7, which is equal 24. This is our answer. I hope it is clear. Now we will add two vectors by using the graphical way. Okay, for example, the question is given, the vector, it can be given in different way, no problem, same. For example, it is given vector 5 2 plus 2 minus 4. Okay, you are going to add, it is like that. Sometimes it is written like that, no problem, same. For example, 5i plus 2j plus 2i minus 4j. This is written in a ij way, or this is written in a column way, no problem, both are same. Okay, add both vectors. Okay, so first I will sketch this one on the diagram. Any point you can start the starting point. For example, here this is starting point, you will move right 5 units, 1 2 3 4 5. This is the ending, the x-axis, because 5, then plus 2 you will move up, 1 2. This is the vector, starting point to ending point. Next, you will start from here. You will start from here. Plus 2 mean you will move to right, 1 2, right side, then negative 2 down, or negative 4, 1 2 3 4. This is the ending point. So this is the direction, must you have to write the direction. Then from starting to the ending, this is our final answer. So direction, you know, from starting, this is the direction, this is ending point, so we cannot write this direction. So this is the direction. So to reach from here to here, first you will move to right x-axis. How many units? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and this is equal 7. Then down, how many? 1 2, because down, so it is negative 2. This is our answer. This is we solved by using a graphical way, how to add the vectors by using a graph. We will do one more example to understand more about it. Let's see. There is a question. For example, they gave us a question. Three minus 2 plus 6 5. So first you will start from here. You any point is starting point. For example, this is a starting point. Okay, you will move right side 3 units, 1 2 3, then negative, because 2 is negative, so you will move down to 1 2. So this is the starting and this is the ending point. Then from here you will start the next vector. Move 6 units right, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then 5 units up, because positive 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the direction. So this is the ending point of the second. So from the starting point to the ending point, this is our addition. So because direction is from starting, so to reach from here to here, we will count the units. First, x-axis, how many units? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 is x-axis. So then up, because positive, 1 2 3 3. So this is our answer. This is graphical way, how to add two vectors by using a grid. I hope it is clear. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment. Okay, one more thing, this is a graphical way or geometrical way, both you can say, geometrical way or graphical way. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. See you next time.